Today we will discuss about the chapter cell cycle and cell division. What is the meaning of the cell cycle? Cell. What are the sequential event? First is क्या होता है? What will happen? The genome duplication or genome duplication synthesize the other constituent and genome duplications and synthesize other constituents and division of the daughter cell. क्या क्या होता है sequential event? The genome duplications, then synthesis of other constituents and division of the daughter cells. When one cell is divided, it is a one cell is divided to form two cells, two daughter cell. It is the parent cell is divided to form two daughter cell. Next, two daughter cell is divided to form four daughter cell. That is the further division is called the cell cycle. What is cell cycle? When one cell is divided to two cells, then two cell is divided to four cells. That is called the cell cycles. In cell cycles, in every organism, the cell cycles and sequential event is same. No, because every organism is having vary with their cell cycle. जैसे कि human का cell cycle how many times? 24 hours or 1 day. But in yeast का cell cycle is 90 days. In human, the cell cycle is 1 day or 24 hours. But in yeast, that is 90 minutes. How? Why? The human cell having taking more time for the cell division, because eukaryotic cell is complex, so that the cell cycle of the eukaryotic cell is taking more time for the division as comparison to prokaryotic cells. Then we discuss about the cell cycle. All of you clear the cell what is cell cycle and the क्या क्या event होता है समझ में आया? Then stages of cell cycle. Two stages है. One is interphase, another is M phase. Cell cycle having two stages. One is stage, another is M phase. Interphase otherwise called preparatory phase and M phase otherwise called mitotic phase. Interphase otherwise called preparatory phase and M phase otherwise called mitotic phase. This is the diagram of the stage. Interphase or preparatory phase. Interphase or preparatory phase meaning it is preparation for the cell division. The preparatory phase or preparation time, it will take more time as comparison to mitotic phase and M phase. Interphase is divided into three phases. One is G1. Interphase is divided into three phases. One is Z1, second one is S, and third one is G2. G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. But mitotic phase mitotic phase is divided into two types. One is karyokinesis, another is cytokinesis. One is karyokinesis, another is cytokinesis. Then karyokinesis is divided into four types. One is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. First, interphase. Interphase is called preparatory phase because when the cell division occurs, cell division होने के लिए preparation भी होती है, तो इसीलिए interphase is longest, take long time for cell preparation for the cell division. In M phase, the particular cell division is occurs. Interphase का duration is 95% and M phase का duration is 5%. Interphase का duration 95, M phase का duration 5%. देखो, interphase is G1S and G2 phase, and M phase is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and it is followed by cytokinesis. What is in G1S, G2 phase is interphase. Then mitotic phase is divided into two. One is karyokinesis, another is cytokinesis. What is the meaning of karyokinesis? Karyo means nucleus, kinesis matlab meaning division. Karyokinesis meaning the division of the nucleus, that is called karyokinesis. In karyokinesis having four phase. One is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And cytokinesis meaning, cyto means cells and cytoplasm division. When the cell is divided, kinesis matlab division. When cell is divided, that is cytokinesis. And what is cytokinesis? Then the interphase in human, interphase take how many times? Human का cell division, in human cell division time is 24 hours or 1 day, but interphase taking 23 hours. 23 hours. And mitotic phase taking 1 hours. Suppose when you will prepare for a function or a party, you will more time for the preparation, but party will be 1 hour or 2 hours. That's like the cell is prepared for the cell division takes 23 hours and the cell division occurs in only 1 hour. Now clear? Then now we discuss about interphase. All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Interphase. In interphase is divided into G1, G2 and S phase. In interphase, what will happen? Interphase, cell is not divided, but cell is metabolically active. Metabolically active meaning amino acid formation, RNA formation, RNA formation, protein formation. It will require for the cell division. So metabolically active means RNA formation, DNA formation, amino acid and protein formation is required for the cell division, and also the cell organelle formation is also required. In interphase, the cell is not divided. In interphase cell का division नहीं होता है, but cell is metabolically active. Metabolically active मतलब all metabolic functions occur inside the cell. That is just like amino acid formation, RNA formation, protein formation, cell organelle duplicates that are formed inside the cell for the preparation for the cell division. In interphase, first start with the G1 phase. First we will start the G1 phase. G1 phase, otherwise called growth 1 phase, otherwise called gap phase, called growth 1 phase, gap 1 phase, post mitotic and pre-synthetic phase. Post mitotic phase or pre-synthetic phase. Why is it called the post mitotic phase? Because the mitosis after the mitotic phase, the G1 phase occurs, that called the post-mitotic phase. After the G1 phase, after the mitotic phase, the G1 phase occurs. That is, so G1 phase is called the post-mitotic phase. And synthetic phase because before the synthesis, synthetic means S phase otherwise called synthetic. Before S phase, the G1 phase is occurs. That's why this is called pre-synthetic phase. In G1 phase, in interphase, how many phases? G1, S and G2. Out of these three, only G1 phase takes long time. G1 phase is longer than S phase and G2 phase. G1 phase is longer than S phase and G2 phase. In G1 phase, what events are occurs? What events? Amino acid formation, RNA formation, protein formation, or cell organelle duplicate except semi-autonomous organelle. What are the semi-autonomous organelle? Mitochondria and chloroplast. Except mitochondria and chloroplast, all cells organelles are duplicate in G1 phase. Events are first amino acid formations, RNA formation, amino acid formation, RNA formations, protein formation, and all cells organelles duplicate. All cells organelles duplicate except mitochondria and chloroplast. Except mitochondria and chloroplast. Now clear? Yep. Okay, next G2 phase. In G2 phase, S phase. Next S phase. S phase otherwise called synthetic phase. Which phase? The synthetic phase. In this phase, what will happen? The DNA duplicate, but chromosome number is same, but DNA is duplicate. In this phase, the chromosome number is same, but DNA is duplicate. Now clear? Chromosome number is 46. If the chromosome number is 46, double of the chromosome number. Then G2 phase. G2 phase otherwise called gap 2 phase, growth 2 phase, and pre-meiotic and post-S synthetic. G2 phase otherwise called gap 2 phase and growth 2 phase, pre-mitotic, in the pre-mitotic matlab before the mitosis phase, the G2 phase occurs. That's why that is pre-mitotic. After the synthesis S phase, that is post-synthetic. In this phase, what type of events will occur? Only the semi-autonomous organelle is duplicate. What are the semi-autonomous? The mitochondria and chloroplast. This all of you clear? First interphase, how many phase interphase divided into how many phase? 3. Z1, S and Z2. Then mitotic phase is divided into 2 types. One is karyokinesis, another is cytokinesis. In interphase, G1 phase otherwise called gap 1, growth 1, post-mitotic and pre-synthetic phase. In G1 phase, what will happen? Amino acid formation, RNA formation, cell organelles duplicate, all cells organelle duplicates except mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria and chloroplast are the semi-autonomous organelle, except mitochondria and chloroplast, all cells organ duplicates and protein formation. And S phase, what will happen? The S phase, otherwise called synthetic phase. Synthesis, DNA replication. In this phase, what will happen? DNA replication. Replication matlab DNA number is increased, DNA number is double. The chromosome number is same, but DNA number is double. Then G2 phase, otherwise called gap 2 phase, growth 2 phase, and post-synthetic and pre-mitotic. Post-synthetic and in this case, what will happen? Semi-autonomous organ, only chloroplast and mitochondria is duplicate. Now clear? Then regulations. Regulation of cell cycle, regulation of cell cycle meaning cell cycle is regulated, is occurs properly, it is going properly, or any default is there, that you will check by the CDK, that you will check by a protein, that is cyclin or CDK. Regulation of cell cycle meaning all the cell cycles are going properly, or any default is there, that is controlled by the cyclin and CDK. Controlled by CDK. Then we will start the mitosis first. All of you clear interface?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we start mitosis. Mitosis. In mitosis, what will have? Mitosis matlab kya hai? It is in equational division. Equational division meaning the parent cell chromosome number is equal to the daughter cell chromosome number. Suppose the parent cell chromosome number is 46, then daughter cell chromosome number is also 46. It is occurs in both diploid and haploid cell. In animal cell, it is occurs in diploid cell, but only one exception, that is honeybee, drone. It is honeybee, is a honeybee ka drone hai, that is exceptional case. It is only in haploid cell the mitosis occurs. In plant, both haploid and diploid cells mitosis occurs. Mitosis का definition क्या है? Equational division का meaning क्या है? Parent cell chromosome. When parent cell chromosome number is divide, then parent cell chromosome number is equal to the chromosome number of daughter cell. Parent cell is equal to the chromosome number of daughter cell. In meiosis having 4 phase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. How many phase? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. 4 phase.